Hi, I'm Patrick from RestorationMaster, and today we're going to talk about how to market your business locally. So there's a lot of tools out there that can help your business be found by other local people that need your help. The first one, the top one I always recommend, is a Google business profile. This is a free tool that's provided by Google for any business to sign up, take advantage, people can leave reviews, and this helps you be found locally above any other position and any other result on the map. So if you don't have one of these already, we run into this all the time. A business completely misses out on using their Google business profile where they can promote their business locally. The next strategy is making sure your information is consistent. So there's a lot of online directories that just pull information which might or might not be correct, and just Googling your business to make sure that all of that information is consistent, or using a tool like Yext. Some of the other strategies that we've seen businesses utilize is local networking events. Local networking organizations, chambers of commerce are a great place to start, especially if you're building out a network, and finding those speaking opportunities to talk about the skill sets that you might know like the back of your hand in your business, but most other people might not be familiar with. So speaking and networking events is a great way to market your business locally. And then rounding it out, there's a couple of more there's some paid approaches you could take advantage of as well. It's Google advertising that can be localized. There's Facebook ads and Facebook post boosting. Again, a great way for people in your local region to learn about you. Be careful when you're setting these up. You want to make sure that they are locally focused, not going to different states or different countries. Another one is using brochures. This one is great in terms of getting your name out there. Now, it might be more direct. Not everybody that gets your brochure will need you right away, but it's a good way to spread the word about your company. And then overall, just showing up and being consistent. The main source of revenue as your business grows is going to be great, happy clients, referrals, recurring business, hopefully. And being consistent and building up that great reputation is going to help your local business grow. Everything else is there to support you on your journey as you kick things off. Thank you.